Hello, so in this video we're just taking off now from Roblox City, New York. This is not my first time playing it, I've played it many more times, I have a bigger plane. But we have the unconscious pilot today and we're going to do that thing. And then we're going to get bigger and bigger plane each time and see if I can land it. And I just do it so we can practice landing in this one. So yeah. So this person wants some water. You can have some water. And some orange juice. You can have some orange juice. You want some water? You want a Pepsi? What I do if I have a Pepsi? There you go. This is a YouTuber. Here we got anything to drink, madam. You want the Gallo juice? There you go. We're not going for five-star flight. We're just going for a night flight. That's simple. Just going for relaxing. Maybe probably a terrible landing, but it's always good to practice. And I'm going to be doing a goalie challenge soon, so I might record that. I don't know. So what going to chat? So what do you need? Coca-Cola. I'll give you that, mate. And because he waited the longest, some food. What do you want? Bread roll. Weird thing to have, but okay. Anything to eat? Bread roll again. I don't want to give anybody the wrong thing. Oh, nut mix. Nut mix. And then chips. Yeah, you can have the chips. Yeah. 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 So we're just gonna get all this. Ah. Here you go. Guys, so now we have to land this plane. And he's gonna put the landing gear down for me. Yep. I see the runway. I see the runway. We're gonna crash. We're gonna crash. Come on. Come on, because guys, no landing. Guys, no landing. Shoot, shoot. We're gonna miss the runway. We're gonna miss the runway. Shoot, 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 shoot. Emergency. Yo, what a bad landing. Yo, what a bad landing that was. Yo, what a bad landing. Oh, stop the plane. Stop the plane. Stop the plane. Oh my god, stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop the plane. Stop the plane. And that's where I'm going to basically almost send off this video. And yeah, the landing score. So yeah, that's where I'm going to end this video. Bye guys.